Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit, Making Sense of Making Money Online. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, YouTuber, automotive consultant, and real estate investor. Hey, welcome. Hey, this is a quick video. I wanted to pass along how to get your account with Experian out of a paid account to a free account. I sign up clients every day and they've been paying for a long time. They're like, man, I just never knew that you actually got a Experian for free. But look, first of all, you can get a free Experian credit report and score for no charge each month. You can upgrade if you want to do a tri-merge, but you probably should only do that every quarter, or unless they have a, something, to that effect where they have a special like the other video that I saw. If you didn't see that video, check out the video on how you can get all three reports for free. But look, I would say if you don't need the credit lock and some of the other stuff that you get with the upgrade, you can also get a free. But look, before I dive in, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button. Hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Make a comment if you like. And most of all, share this with your friends and family if you think it's something they can use. Hey, okay, welcome, guys. Hey, look, all you have to do, no matter where you come in on Experian on your account, just these are your initials, basically. Hover over here, click My Profile. Once you click My Profile, you're going to end up at the screen I'm at right here, where it says Personal Information, Memberships, Connected Accounts, Alert and Communications, Sign In, and Security. Okay. Unfortunately, I did mine today, so I updated mine today. But in here, you're probably going to get something that says that you successfully, actually, it tells you that you already have a paid account. You're paying $24.95. Then they got the other one, you're paying I think $14.95. If you have one of those, actually, so what you do is go down to the bottom where you'll see Update Online. So you're going to, and you'll see that it's like a hyperlink. Click on that. It's going to take you to another screen. And then you're going to see the Experian Works for $24.99. Then the other one for $14.99, and then the basic, which is $0. Scroll to the bottom. Then you'll see all of those. And click on where it says $0 per month. Click that to change your account. Then once you click that, you'll see, then it'll take you to, it'll ask you why you are leaving. And it'll give you options to say. You just say it's too expensive, not worth it, or whatever. That's the one I normally use. Click that. And then it's going to say update. You'll click on that. And then once you click on that, and then you're going to click something else, it'll take you to the screen that says you have successfully switched to a free Experian Credit Basic membership, and your credit card will no longer be billed. And then also you're going to get a confirmation that you switch your account to your email address. So you're going to get that also. But look, just a quick video. Once again, click here, My Profile, Membership, Update Online. You have three choices. Go to the basic, click the one that's got $0 charge. Then once again, you want to put why you're leaving, click that, then update it, click down to the bottom, update that, boom, you're done. You'll get a confirmation. You're good to go. So look, just wanted to drop that. I know it's amazing how many clients I get that say that they didn't know how to switch it, or even when they get signed up and I say, are you paying for your account? They go, yeah, but I hate paying for it. So I help them switch to a free. And so I've gotten so much of that in the last 30, 60 days. I wanted to show you guys this. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, you can drop me an email at tony@makingsenseofcredit.com. Also, check out anything if you need services and that sort of thing in the description below. Until next time, hey, Tony Hill, Making Sense of Credit, making sense of making money online. Be safe. Stay 6 feet away. Wear your mask. We're still right in the between of this COVID-19 pandemic. But look, be safe, guys. Until next video, Tony Hill signing out. Peace.